Hey there guys, how's it going? So today in this time-lapse video, I'm going to be showing the inking process for my Domino fan art. Now one big thing that I always tell people when I get messages and direct messages asking like, oh Kyle, how do you get your lines so crisp and smooth and so dynamic looking? Well, first of all, getting good at inking on your drawing tablet takes a lot of time and practice. I remember when I got my first tablet, it did take quite a bit of time for me to really get the hang of it, and then it took even longer for me to have a confident, steady hand enough to create smooth, crisp, inked lines. Another thing I tell people is, and you'll see in this example here when I ink Domino, but you want to make sure you're varying your line weight. And what this means is you don't want to use one singular thickness for the entire drawing, because that's kind of boring and it's going to make your work look a little flat. But varying the line weight, going from thick to thin, not too much of course, but just little slight variations of thick to thin, it's going to make your line work look much more interesting and dynamic. So, without further ado, let's get to it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that one. So as you saw, my line work was very dynamic because I varied my line weight. I didn't just use one thickness throughout the entire drawing, but I varied it from thick to thin, just to make it look more interesting. And then once I color this, that'll come in the next video, the line work is going to complement the colors so much more. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed that one, please leave a like, comment below, and let me know what you thought. And of course, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. Thank you again for watching, and until next time, keep persevering.